Hey guys, and welcome back. Well, your girl is at it again. Now, Wendy has done everything possible that would turn your stomach on TV. Now, she farted a couple of months ago. Now, on Friday segment of a Hot Topic show, she lets out this big belch. Now, people are saying burp, but no, baby, this was a belch, like a football player would belch after a meal. And even her few audience member was just shocked. They couldn't believe she did it, but now she didn't do like she did when she farted on the air. You know, when she farted on the air, she just ignored it, she still hadn't admitted it was a fart. I mean, she kept on saying that, farts are fun, but I don't fart, and this and that and that and this. But it was a fart. But there's no denying that this was a belch. And after she let out the loudest belch ever, she excused herself, and then she blamed it on Puerto Rican food. Now, she had Chef Everett Rios on the day before, and he was cooking food, so she blamed it on the Puerto Rican food. She said, it goes all the way to the bone. Now, fans on Twitter, they reacted to this. Now, some were appalled, and some was like, that's Wendy. No. One of them said, you must not be a true Wendy watcher. Not the first time, and it won't be the last. Now, another fan wrote, Wendy just burped on live TV. Hashtag Wendy Williams. And soon after, another one chimed in saying, did you hear that enormous burp she let out? I was shocked. I don't watch the show every day, and I understand she makes a habit of belching live on camera like it's nothing. And she does. My goodness. Now, other reactions involved had a choice of words. She said, did Wendy Williams just ear-splittingly belch/burp like a football player at Wendy Williams? Lay off the fresca before showtime, auntie. Y'all have to excuse me if this Wendy is something else. Now, one person on Twitter said, OMG, I just can't anymore with Wendy. I've tried to support her, but Wendy is disgusting. To sit on her perch and burp and smack her lips is beyond rude and distasteful. Her content is suffering, and watching her obnoxious behavior is too much. I tell you, Wendy goes from one thing after the other. Now, last week, she entirely ignored her guest by looking like she was bored to death, not giving the poor man eye contact, and even telling him not to look at her. Now, and she just returned to her show after months of, I guess it was supposed to be R&R or whatever. And I mean, she hasn't been on, has she been on a month? If she has been on a month, I don't think she's been on a whole month. And she's already falling apart. Just doing odd behavior. And you know what's next? Then they're going to have to shut it down. Now, they're going to get tired of shutting Wendy Williams down. I've been saying this, and some of you guys don't think so. They're like, that's Wendy's show. They can't fire Wendy Williams. They may. And some of my viewers have said, okay, they're going to fire her. And we asked, okay, who's going to take her place on her show? Some of you said Nene. I mean, That would be great. She talked about Nene quitting the Real Housewives of Atlanta and saying what she's gonna do because she ain't talented, and if she have a show about Nene, that's gonna be boring. And what she gonna do? Now, why would she quit? They need to get Wendy off of there and put Nene. Nene looking for a new show, so make it the Nene. The Nene Leaks talk show. And let Wendy retire. And some people suggested to put Charlemagne the God. Replace Wendy with Charlemagne the God. Well, what y'all think? Now, do you think, I mean, she has burped before on the air. Yeah, I think when she was on at home, when she was doing the home, I know she was smacking when she was eating the food. And, but that fart gate, that's what they, when she farted on the air, I mean, it was loud. It was no doubt about it. Wendy had farted, and she swore up and down that she didn't fart. And then the guy from backstage said, "Oh, we were filling a fish tank." I mean, they lied for her, but we know that was a fart. Now she's letting out, just belching out. I'm sorry, guys, but. That's my girl, but I don't know what has happened to Wendy since. I don't know if Kevin got a root on her or what, but the girl just has not been right since Kevin left. She hasn't. I'm going to tell the truth. That's what, tell the truth and shame the devil. That's what they say. But she has not been right since the split from Kevin, huh? Now, I don't know what they done to Wendy. I just don't know, but Wendy is just going down, down, down. All right, guys, but this is just, I tell you, very hilarious. What are they going to do with Wendy? All right, guys, I just wanted to share that with you because belching, like she at the house. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you will like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as always important, be blessed, y'all. Bye.